jump in here. Now, here we are, Billy. We're back in the fucking shop. Somebody's fucking chain tensioner bolt is fucking stuck. You're right, Bob. Well, what do? You fucking grind that shit flat. Ping it as centered as possible. You gonna eyeball? You gonna get the micrometer out? Yeah, you better get that fucking thing out and do it right. You only got one shot here,
like
boy.
A bullseye,
Start
bitch.
reaming. Make sure you got a fucking really sharp as
see the
shit
technique. You see
bit.
the technique. Left to right here. He's got the drill bit right on his pec. Yep. He's pushing hard. You want to get it right in the hole, son. That's something you haven't been able to do, but you know, I'm not going to tell your wife later, but you know, here we go. You know, he's making progress. It looks slow at first, you know, a bit mushroomed out, but woo. What do you know?
What do you know? You keep reaming for the next fucking hour and a half of your life and you'll get somewhere. Here we go. We made progress.
It's progress. That's what it's all
That's
about.
That's right, Billy.
That's the word of the night. Progress. Here you go. You get a longer drill bit here because I think he smoked the first one. You know, he just wrapped it up and smoked it. So now he's got a second drill bit. Well, looks like he needs to take a break. He's fucking. Oh, he got through the hole there. He did. Yeah.
Yeah. Confirmation. Let's get a replay on that.
Okay, now it looks like he's moved on to the Dremel. Still trying to do a
Gotta do a little brain surgery here. Gotta do the fine tuning at the end. You know, you only got one shot, like I said in the beginning. One fucking shot.
And he's back with the drill bit here. Looks like he's gonna try and make a little progress.
This here, Bill, is the final pass. This is the biggest bit I'm gonna go with here.
Look at the chips. Look at the chips. Oh,
alright, we're through.
That's it. He's through. It's clean.
Sigh of relief. Yep.
Who knows how long?
And he's got the forearm pump.
Oh shit!
See the little bit of the bolt
now this little
broke
trick,
off back
that
there.
one there you just saw, that's the leftover bolt there inside the tube. We're gonna go ahead and shove a bunch of putty right up the pussy hole. Make sure that thing don't jiggle around.
Yeah, nobody likes loose pussy holes. So anyways, he's
clean.
Topped and threaded here. Now he's going for the helicoil. You know, you can pick these up about any local hardware store, you know, if they're a good one. I believe this is an 8mm by 1.25
So this
thread.
is it. We're winding it in. We're putting in the brand new threads. Got to get yourself some brand new chain tensioner bolts, since obviously you don't have those anymore.
Fuck the other ones, and we're
there
all
it
done.
That's the final fucking product.
Yep.
Slam, wham, damn.